Hey Sarah.
Hey.
How you doing?
Good. We're just gonna put our feet in the water.
I might go a little deeper.
You might go a little deeper.
I don't know yet, maybe. I'm trying to keep it like really steady. Okay, here we go.
And it's cold. And it's cold. Crazy. But it feels like it's 100 degrees out today, so yeah, it feels good.
Oh jeez.
Even though it's
It's way cold. It's way cold, babe. Let me get the belly. I gotta go a little farther away. There we go. Yeah, I got it. Oh man. I wish. Hold on.
You wish what?
Nothing.
The legs are already used to it.
I know. That's why, like before, when I could swim in it, it's not that bad, you know.
It feels really good though.
It does. Here we go.
Here we go. Can you see the glitter?
I don't know. It's too bright right now. Maybe on tape later.
Try and see it like on the sand. Like,
I don't know if I can. I'm gonna try to zoom. I don't know. We'll see.
yeah, we'll see.
That was fun. I know my legs are really used to it by now. Watch out for the squid! It feels good though because it's really hot.
There's a squid in this ocean. Big as the wreck.
Yeah.
And it's been pulling people under.
Pulling people under. Well, actually there's no reports of it, but...
I'm gonna ask because they can't report it.
That's
They're
true.
gonna be dead.
That's true. Tall tales.
That's how rumors get started. Us.
That's how rumors get started. People from Minnesota, down here in California,
Talking about squids.
posting videos like this on YouTube or Facebook, and everyone's freaking out. Maybe we can see one. Just kidding.
I'm free.
I know. Alright, well I'm gonna stop taping, so.
Bye.
Bye. Woo!